Palmier Pro is a revolutionary macOS video editor built entirely for AI. Instead of spending hours cutting clips manually, you and your AI coding agent can generate and edit videos together directly inside the timeline. Developed by a Combinator S24 startup, Palmier Pro is built from scratch with native Swift, no Electron, no web runtime. It delivers macOS native performance while integrating state-of-the-art generative AI models like Seedance, Kling, VO 3.1, and Nano Banana Pro. The game-changing feature is the MCP server. When Palmier Pro is running, it exposes an API at localhost port 19789 that your AI agent connects to. Claude Code, Cursor, or Codex can directly read your timeline, add clips, apply edits, and export, all through natural language commands. The interface is familiar to any video editor: a left panel for AI prompts and scripts, a media browser for generated assets, a central preview window, a right inspector panel, and a timeline at the bottom. But the magic is in the AI workflow. You write descriptions like a cinematic drone shot over mountains, and the AI generates the clip instantly inside your project. Palmier Pro supports the best generative AI models available. Seedance 2.0 for high-quality video generation. Kling for creative motion. Grok Imagine and GPT Image for images. And the in-app AI agent lets you chat with your project, ask it to generate B-roll, add transitions, or restructure your timeline. Download Palmier Pro free from palmier.io. It requires macOS 26 on Apple Silicon. The editor and MCP server are fully open source under GPL version 3. The Pro subscription at $29 a month gives you unlimited AI generations. Connect with your favorite coding agent, paste a single MCP command, and start editing with AI. Palmier Pro is the most exciting video editor to launch this year.